Hello everyone and welcome to our new channel on the roads, points and perks. We're coming to you with great purpose and exciting focus that I believe is going to revolutionize how many of you approach travel. We love helping you explore the world, whether you are dreaming of that retirement journey, a relaxing vacation, or a weekend getaway. One thing remains constant. We all want to make our travel dollars stretch as far as possible. And that, my friends, is exactly what this new channel is all about.
We're Kim and Doug with On the Roads.
Come join us for our slow travel adventures around the world. Mastering credit card points and miles for those perks we all desire. We're diving deep into the incredible world of credit card points and miles, gathering and usage. Our goal is to empower you with knowledge and strategies to essentially get more travel for less money. We want to show you how to leverage your everyday spending, unlock incredible travel experiences, making those dream vacations and retirement adventures more accessible and more affordable than you ever thought possible. Think free flights. Imagine flying business class to Europe for the cost of economy, or even just the taxes and fees. Complimentary hotel stays, nights at luxurious resorts or cozy boutique hotels without touching your savings. Upgrades and perks, lounge access, room upgrades, free breakfasts. Those are the extras that make a difference for your travel comfort. This isn't about getting into debt. It's about being strategic. We're not talking about spending more. We're talking about optimizing spending you already do. Instead of just paying cash, you're earning points that convert directly into tangible travel benefits. You might be thinking, credit card points, is that really for me? And the answer is a resounding yes, especially if you're a disciplined spender and want to maximize every dollar. For far too long, many of us have left valuable rewards on the table. Imagine if every purchase you made, from your groceries to your utility bills, was quietly contributing to your next flight or hotel stay. That's the power of points. It begins with a few fundamental steps. Sign-up bonuses. This is a big one. Many travel credit cards offer incredibly generous welcome bonuses when you meet certain spending thresholds within the first few months. These bonuses can often be enough for a free flight or several nights at a hotel right off the bat. We'll guide you through the best offers and how to meet those spending requirements responsibly. Category spending. First, understand your spending. What do you spend your money on most regularly? Groceries, dining out, fuel, travel. There are credit cards specifically designed to give you bonuses in these categories. Matching your spending to the right card is crucial for maximizing your earning potential. Some cards offer 2x, 3x, or even 5x points on specific categories. Everyday spending. Even your regular non-bonus spending adds up. Every dollar spent on the right card is a dollar earning points towards your travel adventure. We'll talk about how to manage multiple cards if that's part of your strategy, ensuring you are always earning the maximum. The key takeaway here is responsible credit card use. This strategy only works if you're paying your balance in full and on time every single month. Interest charges will quickly negate any points you earn. We're about smart money management here, not debt. The magic of redemption. Accumulating points is exciting, but the real magic happens when you redeem them. This is where your dollars truly go further. We'll be exploring the various redemption options. Transferring points to airline partners, often one of the most valuable ways to redeem, allowing you to book flights that would otherwise cost thousands. We'll show you how to find sweet spots in those award charts. Booking through travel portals, using your points directly like cash for flights, hotels, and rental cars through your credit card's own travel portal. Transferring points to hotel loyalty programs, securing free nights for fantastic hotels around the world. We'll also dive into the concept of points valuation. Not all points are created equal, and understanding their value, for example, how many points How many cents per point you're getting is crucial to making a smart redemption decision. Our aim is always to help you get the absolute most value for your earned points. For your retirement vacation travels, this is especially powerful. Imagine having the flexibility to take that extended trip without worrying much about the flight cost or enjoying the week in a resort without a hefty hotel bill. Points can make those once-in-a-lifetime experiences a reality, freeing up your cash for experiences on the ground, amazing food, or those unforgettable excursions. We'll share tips on finding availability, understanding avoiding blackout dates, and even leveraging companion passes or elite status benefits that come with certain cards. It's about being a savvy traveler and maximizing every single point. So welcome everyone. I'm truly thrilled to embark on this new journey with you. Our channel is now your ultimate resource for mastering the world of credit card points, ensuring your dollars go further, and making those dream vacations and retirement travels not just possibilities, but realities. We'll be releasing regular videos, packed with detailed strategies and card reviews, redemption examples, and all the tips you need to become a point earning pro. What are your initial thoughts on credit card points for traveling? Are you already doing it? Or is this a brand new concept for you? Let us know in the comments below. Your questions and experiences help us tailor future content. If you're as excited as I am about transforming your spending into incredible travel, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notify bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming point and earning redemption secrets. Thanks for joining me, and I can't wait to help you travel smarter, not harder. See you next time.